Hey, what's up, YouTube? Bringing you back to another day in the life of Bmizzle. I was supposed to start the vlog on the ride over here, but we starting it now. Happy holidays to everybody tuning in, and I hope y'all have a great Christmas. Let's go get a power inverter so we can power this tree up. I don't know where they are, but we gonna find them. Definitely not in this section though. Oh shit. What y'all doing? Don't mind if I do. You don't have to keep driving slow, bro. They're not gonna pull you over. They're kind of busy. I mean, something light. I had to throw some trees on the Christmas tree before I bring it in the crib. Damn, look at the airplane. Sheesh.
Okay.
That motherfucker hooked, goddammit. Everything turned on now. The ABS light, the whole nine.
Yep.
Fuck.
The vlog is complete. Nothing too crazy. Just having a little fun with the Christmas spirit. You know what I mean? Got my guy Mon getting some shots. And we gonna call it a quits after this. Just a little short vlog. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy. Just trying to keep posting content for y'all. Keep y'all updated with what's going on. So recently, I wrapped the fucking gas cap matte black. My boy Nick wrapped the fucking spoiler matte black, just the top. Give it that nice contrast. And then hit a little matte black on the mirror caps. This is Philadelphia's fucking quarter mile right here. This is a legendary track right here.